Hi, we're going to be doing percent discount, percent markup, simple interest, primes, and prime factoring. Okay, so I'm going to start with percent discount. So with percent discount, say we had a there was a $25 shirt, and then it marked down, or well, oops, should I start that over? Yeah. The amount. Wrong way. Okay. $25 shirt for $20. Okay. So to find out how much the percent was discounted would be you take the change in the price over the original price. So that would be 25 minus 20 over 25, and so that would be 5 over 25 which is also equal to 1/5, which now to do that you just need to change that into a fraction. So you convert that to, when you change it to a fraction, it's to a decimal from a fraction, it's 0.20, which for a percentage you multiply that by 100 to get 20%. So it was marked down by 20%.
Let's try another problem.
Yeah, so to try another problem, say you had a $40 shirt, or $40 shirt that was reduced to $36. What would you do?
Okay, so it's
over here.
It's change, so 40 minus 36 over 40, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so that equals 4 over 40. And how do I get a percent from that?
Well, we'll simplify that first, which will make it easier.
Oh, so there's a 4. So
then you convert that to a decimal.
So 0.10, which equals,
you just have to turn that into a percent now from a decimal.
10%.
Good job. Well, $120 camera, and it's on sale for 25% off. How would you find? We're gonna try and find how, or what it would actually be. So to do that, you would want to figure out what percent, or how much 25% of 120 is. So to do that, you would convert the percentage. You're basically doing the same thing backwards. So you would convert the percentage to a decimal to be 0.25, and then you would multiply that times 120. So 120 times 0.25 would be, just do multiplication, which would be 0, 0, 1, is it? I don't know what that is. It's 30. I don't know. 0, 4.
Yes.
2, which equals $30. So you get $30, right? So then to find out, so that's the 25%. So
that's the change, right?
That's the change, right? So, it's what? Yeah, I guess. So that's what you take off from the 120. So you do 120 minus 30 to get $90 as how much the camera is on sale for. So let's try another problem. $20 sweatshirt for 5% off. What would you do?
Okay. Oh,
We're
sorry.
over here.
I know which one. So first we have to change that to a decimal. So that would be 0.5, right?
Well, you're dividing by 100, so.
So 0.05.
Yes.
Okay. So. So you take this amount, so 20 times 0.05, am I not, equals, wait, what am I doing?
1. Yeah.
So
And
$1 off. So then you subtract that from the total and get 20 minus 1 equals $19, right?
Yeah, that's good. So let's do another problem. So we have a $50 chair was marked up to $60, right? So we want to find what the percent increase was. So we are looking for the percent. So to do this, we basically do the same thing that we did with the last problem, just in a different order. So we know that it started with $50. It started at $50 and it ended with $60. So what would you so with percent markup, you just added the percent of the original price to the original price to get the final price, if that makes sense. So in order to do that, you'd need to find, what would you need to find?
The change.
Yeah.
In price.
So you need to find the change in price. So that would be 60 minus 50, which is 10. So whatever the percent that we're looking for, the percent of 50 that we're looking for is $10.
So this is the original, and this is the final, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay. So now we know that that $10 is whatever percent of 50.
That's what we're trying to find out.
Well, we're trying to find the percent.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 10 is that percent of 50.
Mm-hmm.
So in order to find that, you need to find out what percent it is. You need to divide. So you divide the 10 by the 50 to get 0.2. And so then to find the percent, you multiply by 100, and you get that it was marked up by 20%.